you know this song?
No.
On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave me 4 hummingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings, 4 hummingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the sixth day of Christmas, am I like the loudest here? You are. 5 golden rings.
Sing, Noel.
3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. Sing. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 hummingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 maids are milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 hummingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 dancing babies, 7 buzzes swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 hummingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 boards are leaping, 9 chickens dancing, 8 maids are milking, 7 swans swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 hummingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping, 10 lords are leaping, 9 chickens dancing, 8 maids are milking, 7 swans swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 hummingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 lovers cutting, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords are leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids are milking, 7 swans swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 hummingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Osmond.
Okay.
It's an Osmond question.
Happy birthday to Noel. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Speech.
My age 29. Okay. Not 39.
Stand up and turn and bow and shake and shake.
Okay. Ready? Ready? Okay. Two letters here. Two cards. Envelopes here. Let's see. Paul, Auntie, and Uncle Manny and Francis. And Danny from Auntie Francis and Uncle Manny. Thank you. Wrong spelling. Sophia and Larry.
Noel.
From Noel. From Noel. It's PH. I thought it was an F.
Doesn't even know how to spell
I'm still leaving the room. To Paul. Okay.
From Danny. Annie and Todd from John Clark.
Oh, okay.
Come here. Elf. Come here. Elf.
Getting too excited. Okay, you have to turn in the back, hit the
Where? Troy, how do you make it not blur? What, both buttons? What?
And then Emily wanted to.
No face.
Remember we stayed up 4 o'clock in the morning?
Show me one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, is that Stephanie's new watch?
You have the same watch.
Let me see.
Oh no, you're years old. Huh?
Wait, excuse me?
Been to hell.
Yes,
Remember the last time
I've taken it there.
wasn't on.
It says it's recording, Miss Higashi. Mrs. Higashi.
She's done. She's sleepy, that's why.
Look at those two. I'm not full.
They're drunk.
What a sight to see.
The drunk. My parents are drunk.
Herrera caps.
What a sight to
Herrera
see.
hubcaps. Herrera hubcaps.
Cherie, you're supposed to talk.
Who?
You have to turn it on.
The Mickey Mouse is supposed to talk?
You have to turn it on. All the way over.
Oh yes, I get sharp butt.
Any sound that you make starts coming.
Well, put it down and then talk to it.
You got more gifts to open in the morning?
Yeah.
Do you know what they are?
Basically,
No.
don't lie.
No, not one.
You're on camera.
This one.
Do you know what it is? You don't?
I think so, yeah.
Have we look at you.
Do you, Todd? Do you know what you're getting tomorrow?
That's it. This is it. Tonight you saw it.
What did you get from Ani?
Well, actually, I have
Oh, what did you give her?
the watch.
Oh, that watch?
No, leave it. You have to cut it
You
off.
have to.
Wearing mine.
That's my shirt.
That's
I noticed that earlier.
his Hanukkah shirt.
Cherie, bring it.
I dig that shirt.
Banana Republic.
Cut it off.
Yes.
I seen one real similar to it. The collar was
Uncle Cliff.
Brown?
brown corduroy.
Oh,
Oh, man.
you like that, huh?
You seen that?
Yeah, I've seen it. Oh, look at Crybaby over there. Where are you going, Justin?
Look at my tummy.
Look at Ani's tummy. Side. Side. I see it. Okay, close up. What's the name? If it's a boy?
If it's a boy, Trey, Pool, Krejci.
Trey what?
Trey Pool.
Trey Pool, Krejci, and if it's a girl?
Tiana Rio.
Come on.
No, seriously, Tiana.
Tiana, Rio, and what's the boy?
Krejci.
What?
Oh, Trey Pool.
Reese,
Trey.
Reese, take it by the
Spell
radio.
Trey.
We're not going to spell Trey, T-R-E-Y. It's going to be T-R-E-I. Because it's French. Trey is French.
The names of the children. Tiana or Trey?
If it's a boy, it's Manny Jr.
Tatiana's a perfume.
No, it's
I know.
No, if it's a Trey. Trey.
Trey Pools.
T-R-E-I instead of T-R-E-Y. That's French.
What, to be made fun of in school?
Trey? No, it's not. It's very, very common.
People, if you're growing up in France.
Look, they're already making fun of the name. It's not even born.
Alright, well, if you guys don't approve, we'll change it. Because, you know, your opinion.
Manny Jr. Manny Jr. Manny Jr.
How about
Share. Donnie and Marie.
it's already made?
They're already.
Nobody's gonna change our mind.
Jeff.
He's not that.
That's too common. There's
Okay,
too many
Francisco
common names.
Manny Venezuela.
That sounds like he's a immigrant.
They like
It's
long
gonna be
names.
Guadalupe,
Yeah, they like long names. They like
Venezuela.
Mario Ramirez Rodriguez Garcia.
It's gonna be Wing Chong, okay?
Crechi. Crechi.
Reichi.
Reese, what are you doing?
Reichi. It sounds Italian, but it's not Italian.
Trey.
Trey.
T-R-E-I.
Instead of a Y.
When the secretary gets me that name, it'll be T-R-A-Y.
No, because the name is Trey, it's T-R-E-Y.
There you go, just
Hi,
there.
honey.
Yeah, he's got that cap on. Forget shot right here. Wait a minute.
Join we now it's time to say goodbye to all of you.
Say goodbye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Bye bye. Bye. Say bye bye. Happy New Year. Volunteers. Watch out. Excuse me. John's here. Another one.
Say bye, so.
Bye, John.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. A picture for posterity. Here.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Get me and Larry. Get me and Larry.
Mary, I've been
And we
to
gotta
about 8
see,
times.
Get the
and
dog.
we have to see these
Hey,
videos.
get me
We
and
never
Todd.
see them. You
Oh, no,
know?
wait.
Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Merry
That's her house.
Bye.
You put oysters in?
Let's go and visit the dog before you leave.
Merry Christmas. We love you, John. Bye. Happy New Year. Come on, let's go. 1-800-4-LILY.
It's a doggy.
1-800-4-LILY.
The Christmas dog. Justin don't like you.
My family. Merry Christmas. In the light. I can't. I mean, it's too hard because I'm pregnant.
We wish you
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to all. Vogue. Vogue. Justify my life.
Merry Christmas, John.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Boy, that was fun, wasn't it?
Isn't that great? You like that, huh? Merry Christmas to all the kids.
I know, exactly.
Look at Susan.
Hi, Bubby. Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.
Go. I lost, man. Oh,
No, my
get a card. Okay, go there. Butterfly for $1,000. Man. Uh-oh, somebody.
You guys have to say Merry Christmas now.
Merry Christmas.
Everybody. Scotty.
Butterfly again for 500.
Enthusiastic people here.
Oh. Okay, your turn. Pick a card. Rubber band.
Justin,
That's easy, okay?
say Merry Christmas. Say it one more time.
Get it.
Say Merry Christmas.
Go get it, go.
Come on.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Follow my finger.
John.
Go, 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 go.
Hey, Reese. Hey, Reese.
Wait, you don't have to jump on the
Say
motor.
Merry Christmas.
Don't point.
Hey, Justin. Say Merry Christmas.
Just go straight, go straight.
Do not point.
Right. Go straight to the logo.
We will leave it at that.
Bruce Springsteen.
Oh, that song, I know that song. What did it do?
Something to believe in.
Yeah.
Best friends are... I know what the best friend that died. What's that song?
Sing that song.
Oh,
what, who sang that song?
I don't know his name.
Did you put up your Christmas tree? And the tears rolled down my face. No, that's Charlie.